الحمد لله رب العالمين الصلاة والسلام على خاتم النبيين وعلى آله وصحبه أجمعين أما بعد أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم قال الله تعالى في سورة الأنفال واتقوا فتنة لا تصيبن الذين ظلموا منكم خاصة واعلموا أن الله شديد العقاب. Translation: And guard yourself fearing that trial which may not only afflict those who do wrong among you, and know that penalty of Allah is very strict. This is an important topic that we must understand, and we must realize that Amr bil Ma'ruf wa Nahi Anil Munkar, which means that commanding for good and forbidding from evil is a fard, and we all must do it at our levels. So, for example, if in a nation there are majority of the people who are doing the sins, who are doing the wrong deeds, who are doing the ma'asiyat, and there are few among those who are not doing these sins and not doing these wrongdoings, however, they are not doing their fard of Amr bil Ma'ruf wa Nahi Anil Munkar, meaning that they are not commanding other people who are doing the sins to not do the sins, and they are not commanding them to do the good deeds. It means that they are not doing their duty, which must be done by all of the believers. So what happens that when the trial will come, only those who are doing the sins will not be affected, but those who are not doing the sins themselves, however, they are not forbidding the others and they are not commanding others to do the good, will be affected by that trial as well. And according to this tafsir and this explanation, the main idea here is that you must follow the commandments of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala and Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alayhi wa sallam yourself. And on top of that, you should keep doing your fard of Amr bil Ma'ruf wa Nahi Anil Munkar to your best extent. However, if they do not listen to you, then you just show your displeasure to them. Hazrat Shah Sahib has given the explanation of this ayah that the Muslims must avoid all the sins, but especially those sins that affect other people as well, and they are mutaaddi, meaning they spread the corruption in the society. So it is not only to their self, but it is also involving the society and the people around them. In previous ayah, it was ordered that one must follow the commandments of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala and Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam, and not show any laziness in following those commandments. And now in this ayah, it is mentioned that those who are the right doers, who are the believers, must do their duty of Amr bil Ma'ruf wa Nahi Anil Munkar, meaning commanding for goodness and forbidding the evil. Because if they do not do this, the whole society will be involved in the sin. This could be understood by an example. There is a battle and the brave and strong soldiers become lazy. Those who are weak will lose their heart completely and they will run away from the battlefield, and this will cause everyone to lose the battle, and everyone will be affected by this loss. Indeed, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala is very severe in giving punishment. Let's pray that Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala help us do our duty of Amr bil Ma'ruf wa Nahi anil Munkar. Ameen wa akhiru da'wana alhamdulillahi rabbil alamin. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.